Okay, so didn't realize to turn the camera on until after he's pulled the basket out all by himself. What's that?
Oh, a purse. A purse.
What is it?
A purse. 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 Purse.
It's for when you play in the sand.
A purse.
Here, let's turn around this way so I can see you a little bit better.
Oh, bicycle.
Need some help? Oh, okay, you'll do it. What's that? What is that? I don't know. Let's see. There's $1 in there. Can you tell Nanny and Sweet Pea thank you? Hey, can you say thank you? It's some candy. You'll get it? Oh, you need help now? Oh, okay, you found something else? Can you tell Nanny thank you? Can you say thank you? Uh-huh. What is that? Oh, okay. It's a big truck. What happened to the chick? It's all gone? Maybe it's down in the basket. Oh my goodness. What is that? That looks like a big bubble stuff. You say bubbles? Uh-huh. Oh. Is it necessary to dump the basket out? Here. No, it's not. Here. Can you pull? There you go. Oh. Look, what else is in here? Oh, yes, that's necessary. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
It's Nanny's fault.
Justin, seriously. I hope you heard that. Oh, you did find some stuff at the bottom. Uh-huh. You do? You say please?
Ready?
You tell Daddy thank you?
Thanks.
Hey, can you tell Nanny and Sweet Pea thank you?
Then that.
Squeeze it.
That.
Squeeze it. See if that helps.
Push.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Hold that.
I don't know. What is that? What is it?
That.
Oh, it looks like more. Here you go. Here, let's get all your dollars together and we'll go get you something with it. We'll go to the store and you can pick something out. You tell Nanny and Sweet Pea thank you.
Then.
Blow me a kiss.
Oh no.
Hey, you want to show Sweet Pea your hat?
No. No.
I never found eggs with money like this before. You know that? You have a card. Here, get your card. Justin, get your card right there so we can read it.
Oh. What's that?
You have a white one you didn't finish eating yet that you threw into the basket. And now it's covered in grass. It's sticky and covered in grass.
Oh,
Thank you. Well, ask Daddy to grab the scissors and we'll open that for you.
What?
Can you say please? Oh my.
Oh my.
Hey, grab the card right there. It's next to your bubbles. And look at your chickie. What was that? Uh-huh. Bubbles. Here, grab the card. Okay, you want to tell Nanny and Sweet Pea bye-bye? Hey, say thank you.
No.
You say bye-bye?
No.
Okay. Well, thank you. Love you. Bye.